Hey everyone! Today we're diving deep into the currents of political intrigue swirling through Zimbabwe. There's a heated power play unfolding that could shape the future of this African nation, and at the center of it all, the battle between Neville Mutsvangwa and President Emmerson Mnangagwa. In recent developments, Neville Mutsvangwa, the son of a high-ranking official in the ZANU-PF party, found himself in hot water. He's accused of operating illegal financial transactions and even setting up an unauthorized satellite connection. But here's where it gets spicy. Neville's parents claim his arrest is not just about the law, it's political. Now, why would that be? Neville is vocally opposed to the current push within ZANU-PF, led by some of Mnangagwa's staunchest supporters, for the president to seek a third term. This goes against the Zimbabwean constitution, which caps the presidency at 2 terms. Neville's stance places him in direct opposition to Mnangagwa's ambitions. But it's not just about Neville. The entire ZANU-PF is in a state of flux. Vice President Constantino Chiwenga, another key player and a potential successor to Mnangagwa, was also sidelined during a recent Politburo reshuffle. This move was seen as a direct hit to his presidential aspirations, intensifying the internal strife within the party. With Mnangagwa's term ending in 2028, the race for who will take over is becoming fiercer by the day. Supporters of Mnangagwa are rallying for an unconstitutional third term, while others, like Neville and potentially Chiwenga, are pushing back, advocating for adherence to the constitutional limit. So what's at stake here? It's more than just political positions. It's about the rule of law, the respect for constitutional governance, and the future direction of Zimbabwe. As this drama unfolds, the eyes of the nation, and indeed the international community, are watching closely to see how these power struggles will reshape Zimbabwe's political landscape. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to keep an eye on this story as it develops, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most compelling political dramas. See you next time.